Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way. Bacon, cheese. This is some broccoli, cauliflower. This is a microwaved potato that I'm going to chop up into chunks. And we got 3 eggs that I'm going to slightly beat. It's another scramble. Mike Foster here. How you doing? I made similar scrambles. I've made scrambles that aren't even like this. This one's got it all. What a way to start your day. Protein, carbohydrates, fiber, and killerness. Check this baby out. I'm going to get that potato going. Check it out. All right, what you want to do to start this baby off, you're going to cut it in half like this. That's the start. Then you're going to go like this. Like this. You can't see it because my hand's in the way. You can take this one, put it aside and eat it. And you're just going to chop these in chunks like this. Okay, I'll meet you at the stove and put this baby together. All right, we've got it. This is a medium pan. We're going to add some butter. That's the start. Now a little olive oil. I'm going to add the potato. Now the broccoli and cauliflower. This is left over. I cooked this baby up. All right, let's move this around. Make sure everything is like busted into equal bits. A little pepper. No salt needed because the bacon and the cheese has salt. Mixy schmixy. Right, that looks good. This is going to be a killer scramble. Gonna probably get you through the whole day. I wouldn't eat anything the rest of the day. Probably won't. Here's the scramble. These are the eggs. There's 3. Just going to break each yolk. That's how you do a scramble, ladies and gentlemen. You don't have to beat them to death. You don't have to add milk or water. These are myths that people don't understand. Here's that bacon. You're just going to bust little pieces like this. Throw it around like it's Christmas. New Year's. It's like you just won the championship. It's confetti. Bacon confetti? Oh my, can you imagine that? People would never get off the field. All right. Now we're cooking with oil. All right, what next, Smedricks? I'm going to keep warming this baby up. What I did is I put that potato, and it depends on the size. This one took about 6-7 minutes. Depends on the size. Put it in the microwave. And then, so I could handle it, I put it in the freezer. Believe it or not, that's what I did. So we do have to reheat it because we don't want it cold. Now we take these eggs. There they are. Put those babies in there. Now if you add a little more pepper, you can put other spices, garlic if you want, but you don't need it. Then you just start mixing, schmixing, Richard Nixon, like this. Move it around. Actually, it's on medium. I'm going to put it a little higher so that it can do its thing. This is fast, simple, and easy. Healthy for you. Delicious. I mean, what else do you want? A rubber biscuit? There. Mix it up. Follow the instructions from me, Mike Foster, the Egg King. Now you take this cheese and you just give it a little dousing. This is a shredded blend. I don't know where it came from. You take it and you smack it around. Mix it. Smack it around. This is going to be done in about 42 seconds. When this is done, I'll meet you at the counter. Take a big close-up. Then you know what's going to happen after that, the big bite. See you then. That's the finished product. You know what's in it. Now it's going to be in me. Big bite coming up. All right, folks, you saw it. We've got, well, I'm going to take a bite. Oh my gosh, it's a big bite. Blowing. It's going to be into Mike's big bites. Ah. Of course, the bacon is up front. The potato, it's creamy from the cheese and from the eggs. You've got a little broccoli. I'm cheating. I'm eating it from down here. I can't hold it up anymore. Just think of all the ingredients. I have videos on why you should eat potatoes, eggs, and broccoli. Bacon has protein, so does cheese. And I have videos on why you should eat olive oil. Protein punch. You get your fiber. Start the day with this. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. Subscribe, tell people about it. My goodness. I've been on the air for over 15 years. Until next time, peace. Live life 365. I don't think I need, well, that's gonna help things. That was the ice machine. You take it, ouch, that's hot. As I say, my hands dropped off. You just know that it's a great way to start your day. How do you know? Sweet bubble. Oh, that's exhausting. My wife is starving, I gotta go. Baby, it's already. Babaloo and bye-bye.